shit.
Right up there. Dead ahead.
Wow.
Going through that little town, what's left of it. That little, oh, it's hitting some stuff.
Stop right here.
Check it out, pound for power transform.
Okay, I need to get out and assess everything, make sure we're not in a dangerous situation. Okay, we're safe where we're at. Sitting in the same spot.